Welcome back to Car Explorer, the place where we explore the latest cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting and innovative: the BYD Motorhome 2026. Known globally for their electric vehicle leadership, BYD has now entered the luxury motorhome market, combining sustainability, futuristic design, and home-like comfort on wheels. This isn't just a motorhome, it's BYD's vision of future travel. On the outside, the BYD Motorhome 2026 makes a bold first impression. Its aerodynamic silhouette reduces drag while maintaining a commanding road presence. The sleek front fascia is highlighted by a futuristic grille design and ultra-thin LED headlights that stretch across the width of the vehicle, giving it a modern, high-tech personality. Sculpted side panels with retractable steps, large panoramic windows, and stylish 21-inch alloy wheels showcase elegance and functionality. The rear design integrates a full-width light bar with BYD's signature illumination style, making the motorhome stand out both day and night. With solar panels seamlessly embedded into the roof and an extended awning system, it's clear this motorhome is designed for both luxury and eco-efficiency. Step inside, and you're greeted with a world of comfort and sophistication. The interior is a perfect blend of modern minimalism and practical living. Sustainable materials like eco-leather, bamboo finishes, and recycled fabrics reflect BYD's commitment to green innovation. The driver's cabin is futuristic, with a wide digital cockpit, featuring a 15-inch infotainment screen, AI-based voice controls, and advanced driver assistance displays. The living area is spacious and intelligently designed. You'll find a convertible lounge setup with reclining sofas, a foldable dining table, and ambient LED lighting that adjusts according to mood. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances including an induction stove, a smart refrigerator, a microwave oven, and optimized storage. BYD has clearly maximized space while keeping everything functional and modern. The bedroom area features a queen-size smart bed with memory foam and climate control bedding, ensuring restful nights wherever you travel. Above, a panoramic skylight provides natural light during the day and starlit views at night. The bathroom doesn't disappoint either, offering a rainfall shower, eco-toilet, and a premium vanity setup with efficient water management systems. Now let's talk about what sets the BYD Motorhome 2026 apart: its performance. Unlike traditional motorhomes, this one is fully electric, powered by BYD's latest Blade battery technology. With a dual-motor setup, it delivers around 480 horsepower, ensuring smooth acceleration and the ability to tow heavy loads when needed. The motorhome offers an impressive range of up to 450 kilometers on a single charge, depending on usage. And with ultra-fast charging, it can reach 80% capacity in just 40 minutes, making long-distance travel more practical than ever before. Off-grid capability is another highlight. The integrated solar roof helps recharge the battery and power internal systems, while the advanced energy management system ensures efficient use of electricity for cooking, climate control, and entertainment. This means extended stays in remote areas without relying heavily on charging stations. Safety, as always, is a priority for BYD. The Motorhome 2026 comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system, making it safe to maneuver in cities, highways, and campgrounds. In terms of pricing, the BYD Motorhome 2026 is positioned as a luxury yet eco-conscious choice. Expected prices will start around $160,000 and can go up to $200,000 depending on customization and features. This makes it highly competitive in the motorhome segment, especially with its all-electric edge and BYD's reputation for battery reliability. The BYD Motorhome 2026 is more than a travel vehicle. It's a self-sufficient, eco-friendly luxury home on wheels. It offers freedom, sustainability, and innovation in one package. For families, adventurers, or eco-conscious travelers. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more in-depth reviews of the cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility.